Okay, so step 1, you're going to use a circular object and draw 2 circles. Then you'll use a smaller circular object like the glue and make smaller circles. You'll make 4 for each, so you'll have 8 circles in total, 4 small circles and 4 big circles. Now you'll cut them out like you can see as I'm doing in the video. You'll cut them all out nicely and leave it aside. Then after that, you will poke holes in the middle of them with a skewer, and you will poke the hole in the middle to make it even so that the pulley system is even. Then you will put some glue on the side and put a small circle, stick a small circle in, and you will stick 4 small circles inside there. So you see, after I put the first circle, I put more glue and I put the next circle. So you're going to repeat this step until you're done with the small circles. As you can see in the video, I'm putting all the circles there. And you must put the glue nicely, otherwise it's not going to stick properly. And your pulley system won't work if you don't stick it properly. See, just repeat the process, stick it properly. As you can see, I'm checking to see that it's stuck properly, and I'm putting more glue, and I'm putting the third small circle there. And you make sure you press it so that it sticks properly. If you don't press it, it won't like get stuck. Then I put more glue and I put the last small circle there. See? Push it in and push it all together so that it's stuck. All the circles. You see, I'm checking to see. Then I'll put some glue on the small circle, and I'll put the big circle. I'll stick the big circle in and make sure I press it so that it's stuck properly. And that's your first pulley done. As you can see here, the first pulley is done. Then we'll move on to step 3, where you get any box that you have and you cut it and unfold it. Then when you're done cutting it and unfolding it, you're going to poke holes in the back of it. As you can see, I'm doing so that you can have places to put the pulleys. When you're done poking the holes, you'll bring the circle pulleys there and you will stick them on the stencils that are stuck in the back. As you can see, that is step 5. And you'll continue to do so. And you can make smaller circles to stick on top to make it look pretty, so that you can see it doesn't look so bad. That's what I did. I made 2 more small circles and I stuck it in the front. Then you will get a toilet roll and you will make another small circle to make it the bottom. This will be your little basket. And you will stick it on properly. You'll put some glue and you'll stick it on properly. And then you can see I stuck it on properly, and you cut it into a small little basket. When you're done, step 7 is you're going to poke 2 holes into the little basket you have so that you can thread the string through to make the handle for the basket or bucket that you're making. You'll poke the holes properly with something sharp. If you need help, your teacher will help you poke the holes, because poking it with a stencil might not work. I tried poking it with a stencil, it didn't work, so I had to get a sharper tool. And as you can see that I'm threading the string through to make the handle for the buckets. If you need help with this, you must just let your teacher know, or someone else can help you with it. Someone in your group can maybe do it. And you make sure the bottom, like, okay, not what I did, you must make sure that each part of your pulley system that you're gluing, you need to make sure that it dries. You poke the holes a bit deeper into it because the string wasn't working. As you can see, the string is a bit difficult to put through, so I had to poke the hole again and thread the string through, and I finally did get it through. Then I'm going to thread it through the other side, as you can see I'm doing there. I had to make the hole a bit bigger because the string wasn't going through. And then I tied the knot. Then here should be your final step, is showing your pulley system off to the class.